Hello, good day, great minds. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to place Adsterra ads for high earnings. This is my Adsterra dashboard with my earnings. So, I'm going to show you how to place Adsterra ads network for you to get high CPM. With high CPM, you're going to earn well with Adsterra. Now, I hope you follow me on this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel as we get started. Hit on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a important video just like that, you will be able to get the notification and subscribe. Now let's check some Adsterra reviews more before we get started. Now at your website, if you are starting newly on Adsterra, if you have an account already, you can click on where I click. I click there because that's because I have an account already with Adsterra. So these are the different ad format and the campaign you choose for your ad network. You can also use this drop down menu to choose the ad format you want. Others like social bar, pop under, and many other ads format for Adsterra. Now I'm going to show you how to place Adsterra ads from this format that will generate you even more revenue compared to the one I earn. Now this way, you add your website on top. Below it, you choose the category on which your blog is. Then you select campaign. There are some campaigns that some ad network doesn't accept, so you can exclude them by clicking them. Now let's check out those ad network that pays well. We have pop under, social bar, and the native banner. These are one of the top earning, as well as the direct link. Now here are different sizes of banner in case you want to use different size on your blog post. Now let's check out some things before we get started. Here I have two websites that I added with Adsterra. All of them have different codes generated for them. Now under this website, I have several ad formats that I pick which are active on the blog. However, some of them are not active for now. Here you choose, click on the ad format, then you click on get code, and the code will appear in this space below. Then you go to your WordPress if you are using WordPress. For those that are not using WordPress, I've made a video on how to place Adsterra codes on Blogspot platform. Now, after you go to WordPress, then you go to plugins, then click on plugins, then you click on install plugins. Now, in this video, I will recommend you the best ad inserter plugin to use, which is the ad inserter plugin. This is the plugin I use to place ads in different position in my blog. Now go to the ad inserter, then click on settings. Now if you click on settings, you are going to see how it appears. It has numbers from 1 to 14 to 15 to 16 continuously. So these numbers. I'm going to show you how each of them are being used. Now you click on that setting icon, then click on header. Now I want to place my ad code on header, and with other ad network that requires you placing ads on header, this is where you can place your ads on header without going to your site appearance to edit your HTML. With just this plugin, you can place your ads on the header and the footer. This is the footer section and this is the header section. Here are my header codes. All my header codes on this side I place here and all working perfectly. So let's get to paste our link. After I paste our link, then we click on this button. This button is a record button. When you click it, it is off. For you to make your code active, you have to click it back so that it will be active. That means the plugin is recording your header code. Then you click on settings. Make sure you click on that button to record the header code. If not, you have issue with your header code. Now my settings have been made. My header code has been placed successfully. This is same with AdSense, Google AdSense, with much other ads network that require you to place ads on your header. This plugin will just do the work for you, simple, without going to your site appearance to edit your HTML code. Now let's pick the ads code that we want to place and the position we want to place the ads code. Now let's get there. Let's get this ads code. I'm going to place native banner ads. So I've clicked on the get code. If you have not clicked on, then click on get code and the code will be generated below at this section. Now you copy the code. So you copy the code, then get back to your WordPress dashboard where we'll place the link. Now you get back to your inserter plugin, which already I've talked about. Then go to header one of your position, or you can choose the header or footer to place. But I recommend you to use this section because I want to show you how to use the ads inserter plugin correctly. These are my ads, previous ads I placed in different sections of the blog from 1 to 6. They are the very sections I place ads on my website. So if you can check my site, ads are appearing up to 6 different sections on my blog, just because I use this ads inserter plugin. Now let's get to see how this works. I'm going to number 7 because from number 1 to 6 I've placed ads there. So I'll paste the code I copied from my Adsterra dashboard. Then make sure you select all these campaigns below, the pages, the home page, the categories, anywhere you want the ads to appear. Then you come here, you choose which position. As you can see, various position here. Just follow me carefully. You can see various position here from your blog, so you can choose the one you want. Here I choose this one. Then you get back, go up and then click on settings. Here you can see save settings from 1 to 16. To save all your codes from number 1 to number 16. Then click on save. Allow it to save completely. Now let's get back to our site to see whether the codes we have placed has been saved successful, to ensure that our plugin is working well. Now let's check on our site. Now we are back on our site to check whether the ads appear. Let's click one of the posts, because this ads plugin normally work with ads inside posts. So it seems like my ads does not appear. Now there are some reasons that ads does not appear whenever you choose some particular position in your blog to place the ads. It may be depending on the nick, on your theme and other factors. Now for this one, the position I choose above to place my ad was above the image, and the ad code does not appear. Now can we say this theme or other things? As you can see, other ads are appearing. Now let's get back to the blog to see what's the issue. Now I'll get back to my ads inserter plugin. Then I'll change which position I want the ads to appear. Now I'll choose the second option. Then I will save my settings as well. So this option, I have another ads format I have placed before. I'm going to use it as an example. I'm going going to check out the number or position requirement I want it to appear. You can use this section to choose how you want it to be after paragraph or other things. Then you come back and click on save settings. Make sure every changes you make sure you click on save settings. Now let's get back to our site to see where our ads will appear now. So we need to refresh our page so that we can configure our own settings. See from here, from my dashboard, I choose after paragraph. After paragraph, I use some variables to know that after how many paragraph did I want the ads to appear. So from this, you can see that this ads is an extra ads that is appearing after paragraph, after, close to the last paragraph. So that is where I choose after paragraph from my plugin, and I change. This is how to place Adsterra ads code. So if you are still trouble on how to place Adsterra ads code, by now you should know how to place Adsterra ads code in different position of your blog for good. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing to you more videos on Adsterra, how to make money on Adsterra, how to get high CPM on Adsterra, and you enjoy Adsterra. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. Thank you.